I would be showing you a demo of CA account of GST Hero in this video. So basically, I would be covering everything starting from GST return and litigation, what kind of features we provide in that, and also how you can do it on a day-to-day basis also. So in this video, as I said, basically GST Hero in CA plan offers GST return and ITC reconciliation in that. Other than that, is litigation also for CA firms and CA clients. Other than that, we have a whole ecosystem for enterprises starting from e-invoicing, e-way billing, third eye, our internal auditing tool, and litigation management solution also. So when let us come back again to a CA, as you can see on this dashboard, CA dashboard consists of GSTR return and litigation. So you would be able to have access to these both solutions. When it comes to GSTR returns, you can directly add your clients from a single button push from here also. You can notify them also, and while you do the registration, after that you can cross verify everything of your business, client's name, business name, GSTNs, have you filed it or have you not filed it, and every detail can be showcased here. Our solution is a portal based solution. You can have a multiple user base access to this. So of course, at a time that you can work on this, two or three team members can work on this simultaneously on a different GSTNs also. Let's go in deep in GSTR return. So when you come into GSTR return dashboard, what you can see is your company XYZ numbers for which you are doing the filing or reconciliation. So here you can just select out for the month or the period that you want to do the reconciliation. So for me, the demo data is in January, so I would be selecting that. Here, once you have selected that, you can come down and upload your sales data. So how you can do that? So basically, there are many different options available in GST Hero to how to upload the data. So I would be showing you from one of the basic methods. Okay, you can go into upload, then you can go into change mapping, and here you will have very different kinds of options available, starting from GST Hero Excel templates also. There are tele connectors also here. From and for e-commerce operators also, we have given different kinds of templates available. So you can download this template into your own system and upload the data here on GST Hero portal according to the requirements. Once it's uploaded, so this is a very basic and very important thing when it comes to on a day-to-day basis. As you know, you might be catering a number of clients. So many times clients give you raw data also, on which your team need to give a huge amount of time, and it consumes a lot amount of human resources also. So what our system does is give you an upper edge in that. So you can directly upload your raw data here, and our system will validate all those records. If there are any kind of errors, if there are any kind of duplicates also, it will find those all out for you, and it will you can directly edit them directly here also, delete them, and you can view them. Other than this, you can, once the data is validated, you can download those validated data in your own system also in Excel formats. You can directly add invoices one by one also directly from here also. Once done, you can just click on done and go back. Once the data is uploaded for sales, you can go down and cross verify. Our system will auto populate HSN summary also, as you can see here. So here you will have all the details of by adjacent summary also. It will auto populate if you have mentioned all the details in your and while doing entries. Once it's done, you can maintain the documents also on a monthly basis if you don't want to do it in a single go while doing your 9 and 9C. So you can maintain all the documents also on GST Hero portal by uploading them according to the GSTN and data that you have available at that time of period. After you have uploaded your sales related data, a draft would be generated. So basically, a draft is generated automatically and it will be updated here. It will consist everything according to table and GST according to government norms. Okay. So once it's uploaded, it will auto generate. Once the sales record is uploaded, it will auto generate. So this generated records can be downloaded. This GSTR one file or draft we can mention can be directly downloaded in JSON format in your system. It can be maintained in Excel also. Save as draft mean it will be saved in GST Hero portal. You can save it to GST and then it will directly get saved to government portal. So all the three options are directly available there also. After that, let's say at the end of the period you want to once again review it. So you can review it again also. And after that, in a single button push, it will get e-signed and it will file it itself. After that comes your 2A and 2B reconciliation. So for that, my purchase data right now lies in October. So you can do a backdated reconciliation also. What you can do is just go back on for that particular period, just upload the data in the similar manner. Once again, you will have all the same access, all the Excel templates, all the methods available for you to do it in the similar manner. After that, you can just go on to doing reconciliation. Both reconciliation is available right now. I would be showing you 2B reconciliation. So on left hand side your 2B data would be fetched, on your right hand side your purchase data would be available. Once again, after this, there are many different kinds of configurations that have been provided, also known as tolerance level, while doing reconciliation. You also know while doing it without any kind of system, it's quite a hassle and huge amount of human resource and time is involved in this. So what we have done, we have provided more than 17 to 18 different kinds of tolerance levels according to domain and system. Other than this, we have also provided an AI tool, or let's say we have developed a logic which will help you to set all these configurations according to your client's requirements, and it will let you understand how many different kinds of records are getting affected by choosing different kinds of percentage in setting these tolerance levels. Once you set this, you can just go down and click on reconcile. Once the data is reconciled, you will have this summary available on your dashboard. Here you will have a thorough output of how much is registered and what is missing, how much has gone into match, how much has gone into mismatch, okay, how much amount of actions you can take. So basically action, what action does stands for. So once you go in detail, here you can go and watch how many have gone into mismatch records. You can see what are the reasons they have gone into mismatch according to the configurations that we have selected, and what are the missing records. So are they missing in 2B or are they missing in purchase? Once again, if there is a very minute change and you think it is correct in 2B, you can make that edit in your 2 in your purchase in here also directly. You can mention different kinds of comments. As I mentioned, like say 2 or 3 people are working together on a single account, so you can mention the comments also, that it can be accessible for your team to see through and do any kind of activity on that particular account or for that particular client. So here what we have done is we have developed a logic in which, or let's say we have developed a solution where our system will give you different kinds of possible match options. So what does possible match stands for? Basically, according to the records that are mentioned in your 2B and all the records that are mentioned in your PR, it will give you an option by running that fuzzy logic, understanding which particular records can be matched according to it. By it will take in consideration invoice date, GST numbers, time, taxable amount, tax amount, and invoice value. Everything would be taken in count for. Then it will give you a suggestion. So this can be done on a manual basis also, or you can done it in a single button push all. Bulk possible merge. So what this button will do is it will take all those particular records and mash it automatically. Once it's done, you can download different kind download download it in a Excel format also, or download this particular report of ITC credit note and debit note directly from here also. Once done, you can save it also. Yeah. So once again, once the purchase data and sales data is uploaded, your 3B would also get auto-filled. Okay. But there is a very big, huge difference. And this is a normal thing. But you can edit every single column in your 3B from 3.1 till 4.2 or 5.2. Okay. Everything would be covered. Here in reversal also is automated. You can the everything that is been calculated in ITC reversal in 4.2 table of 3B would also get auto fetch according to the government portal from directly from the government portal. And when it comes to ITC claiming also, 2A according to GSTN portal means 2B, and according to the request, select 2A. If you want to like according to portal, it will get auto fetched by saved into GSTHero portal, saved to GSTN. It will directly save into government portal. Once done, you can, if there are any kind of liabilities, you can offset those. Once again, there in a single button push, it will get e-sign and file. After that comes annual returns. So basically annual returns consist of GSTR 1 and 9 and 9C, as you know. So 9 is also, 9 would also directly get auto calculate. You can just select the period. Okay, yeah, this is a very good point. For every GSTN register, you need to get an OTP in 30 days. So the particular OTP that you collect from your client would be valid for 30 days. Similar manner that happens in government portal. So here directly, as you can see, you can download GSTR 9 and table A report directly from this portal also for that particular period. You can download in Excel format also, JSON format also as this 9, and save it as in the similar manner. Once again, once done, you can review it, e-sign and file it. In the similar manner, you need to upload the data related to your 9 and 9C. You can DSC sign it directly here, upload the documents. If anything are left, if you have not maintained it, you need to upload it. You directly get to save it to GST and Hero portal and the government portal, and then back to e-sign and file it. So it will get done. So this is how GSTR 1 till 9 is getting covered in GST Hero. After in that also I have shown you how the reconciliation has been working. After that, there are different kinds of reports available. For return, GSTR 1 till 9 and 9, everything is available. So there are different kinds of annual reports also that you can download. GSTR 1 whole annual report, GSTR 3B whole annual report, 2B versus GSTR 9, 8A versus 3B. These all reports are available in 3A plan. Different kinds of comparison reports such as GSTR 1 versus 3B, 2A versus 3B, 2B versus 3B is all available so that you can find out defaulting vendors for your client and send them out a list. There is electronic ledgers also if required, if you have any e-commerce clients, so that you, this is quite helpful for them. There are once again outward supply and inward supply is also available, and there are advanced level reconciliation reports also available. So these are the few reports that are available in uh, CA plan. So that covers basically how uh, what CA consists of. Once again, when it comes to litigation, as of right now, you can once again directly add clients from here. You can fetch the notices directly on the dashboard on a pan level basis. Every particular GSTN that is registered can get have their notices subscription status, and you can go in and watch in details which kind of notices that they have received. So basically, this covers litigation and GSTR return. Thank you.